As far as CNN News 18 exit poll is concerned, BJP again gains in Bengal. Now that is definitely a very big breakthrough. It's 21 to 24. That's what the BJP seats are showing right now in exit poll of CNN News 18, which might be obviously a surprise for Trinamool Congress, who are now considering that they are going to cross 25. But BJP has always been saying that they are going to get seats around 24 to 30. So here comes the numbers which says that BJP might get seats around 21 to 24. And on the other hand, we see that Trinamool Congress might get seats between 18 to 21. The fact that 18 to 21, like others, it's coming as others, it's 18 and 21, and 21 to 24 clearly shows that there is a kate ka takkar. Definitely, it's a neck-to-neck fight, very close fight in Bengal, that's very clear. But if the numbers are really showing that BJP is the single largest party in Bengal, then there are a lot of questions. The questions on corruption, the questions of polarization, the questions of bad governance come in, and really the Lakhir Bhandar, has the Lakhir Bhandar failed to fight with that? That's a very big question. BJP has been aggressively campaigning on Sandesh Khali, on the corruption point of view, on bad governance. Does it is having effect on the ballot box? That definitely the real results will have to wait for 4th June. Exit polls might go wrong. Exit polls are not always right. That's very clear. But right now, the numbers which are coming from Bengal is clearly 21 to 24 BJP and 18 to 21 TMC. We really have to see that what are the real numbers, but definitely all through the elections, the issues which has come up: number 1, Sandesh Khali; number 2, corruption; number 3, bad governance; number 4, we have seen the Modi magic; we have seen the effect of the polarization, the effect of the Ram effect is there. So that definitely has that really affected the voters? We will know it for June, but clearly it gives a signal. The trends are clear that BJP is clearly leading from 21. If 21 to 24 is right, if it gets somewhere around 23 also, then also BJP is ahead of Trinamool Congress, and then this is going to set the mood for 2026 assembly polls. If Trinamool Congress, if this exit poll goes right and the Trinamool Congress goes down, then this is coming 2 years is going to be very vital in Bengal, because in 2026 Trinamool Congress will be going, and also Trinamool Congress versus BJP in assembly polls are going to be really interesting.